So as a consumer, just by consuming, I feel good.
INCubatoredu is an entrepreneurship program where the students come up with a real solution to a problem, and then they create a business out of that, and they get mentored by community members. And then at the end of the year, they do a Shark Tank style pitch where they get to win scholarship money. The students get to meet business owners, business people in general, and they get to learn from them.
I was fortunate enough to get approached last year by another mentor, and he offered the opportunity for me to get involved as well and share a little bit of the business acumen and marketing acumen that I've accrued over the past 20 years.
The students in Incubator learn teamwork and conflict resolution, as well as the business aspect of all of it.
Because of the role that it plays in helping prepare them for the actual steps necessary to find meaningful work and self-sufficiency in the world.
Well, just seeing how everything's broken down between even the finances and then as little as a website, like everything is a lot more complex than it looks.
It's so rewarding to see these kids start with this tiny little idea and then grow it into an actual possible business. And then watch them just themselves grow and start off as a shy team, and then they end up just glowing on the stage at pitch night.
Our community in Denton is fabulous. So supportive, willing to volunteer their time at least once a month to come be with these students and to help them learn real life things.
Uncharted Learning, collaborating with districts like Denton ISD and allowing students this opportunity to discover what entrepreneurship is and to develop these lifelong skills. That's what education is all about.
By influencers, just seeing those kids grow the way they do makes it all worth it.
Get involved. Get involved with our kids. They need to see what our community members do because it's going to be them one day.